Thank you for watching this video. In this video, I want to talk about networking. Networking in a simple term means establishing effective and valuable connection with a skilled individual for collaboration in business and startup. We can network anywhere and anytime, emphasizing the importance of finding expert in the specific field we need. Networking is considered a business and economic activity. As a business owner, through interaction commit to creating a mutually beneficial economic relationship by sharing information. Therefore, one of the main goals of networking is for individuals to seek a job opportunity, secure significant project, and attract investor by participating in the events and the similar season. So, in networking, the goal is not merely to create a communication network for making money. Rather, the primary objective of establishing robust networks is not enjoy a good social life. Thank you very much for being with me in this short video.